Hey everyone, welcome back to MS Extra Tech. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on YouTube dark mode in just a few easy steps. So, you can enjoy watching videos even at night. Please watch this video till the end and don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's get started. So friends, first open YouTube app on your mobile. Then tap on profile picture icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. After that, select general option and tap on it. Now select appearance option and tap on it. Now choose dark theme and tap on here. That's it. So friends, if you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video.